What's up, guys? Good day. It's your boy Archery, and I'm with you under the car there. Your boys from Trini Vlogs back again. The A team here with another install video. As we updated you all in the performance aero kit video. Yeah, so we started installing the kit. Today we're going to be installing the side skirt extension. So yeah, guys, let's go. Today we are doing side skirt extension install on a BMW F30. Let's go. Alright guys, so on the side skirt extension, this part of the little lip here actually goes to the front of the car. So this is for the right side of the car. So this is how it will be fitting on the car, with this lip to the front. And to the back we have a little notch here. This notch slides into the end of the side skirt, and that's how you know it's lined up perfectly. I'll show you guys under the car. Alright guys, so the notch that I now mentioned to you all on the side skirt extension, this is the notch here. So it slides in just beneath the body shielding here and holds on to the underneath of the side skirt. That lines up the edges here perfectly. As you can see from the bottom here and from the side as well. So just block some sunlight. The notch there, once it slides in, it lines up perfectly. Then we taped the entire side into place, and now we're going to drill straight into the side skirts. Alright guys, so the first step is we have the side skirt extension already taped to the car. So we just lined it up and taped it in place. As we showed you all in the previous video, we already drilled the holes in the side skirt extension. So here we just line it up with the side skirt of the car and taped it into place to drill the holes in the car's side skirt as well. Alright, so this is what the painted side skirt look like. You would have seen it in the spray painting video. So we currently have the left side on the car. As you can see, all the holes pre-drilled already. So we just measured it, lined it up with the side of the car and taped it there. So that's the first step. Now we are going to drill the side skirt extensions through the holes that we drilled. Now we are going to drill the actual side skirt on the bottom through the holes that we pre-drilled in the side skirt extension. So that's the first step. Alright guys, so under the car here, this is under the side skirt extension. You can see the pre-drill hole that we made here. So all along there will be pre-drill holes here. Just going to drill into the bumper through these holes and insert the rivets. So I'm just going to do the drilling right now. Alright, good. Alright, so that's one down. We have 17 to do in total. Alright, so repeating this for all 17 holes, guys. Alright guys, so as we drill in the holes, we're going to be inserting these rivets one time to hold it into place. Alright guys, so this is inserting the rivet into it. Rivet pops in nicely. And yeah, so we're doing this for all 17. We've done 3 so far. All 17 are along the length of the extension. Alright guys, so when you reach the front part with the smaller 3mm, you need to drill under this performance side skirt as well on the inside. So we have hammers drilling the holes here. So in addition to the 17 that we have directly underneath here, there are 17 of those directly underneath. Then there are 11 of these on the inside as well. So we're now drilling these 11 holes, and in these holes we're actually using small screws. So this is a small metal screw here. right there. That's the screws that are going to be inserted in these holes. So he's going to insert it and screw it up, and we have 11 of these on the inside right here to do. Right, so 1 down, 10 more to go. Alright guys, so as you all can see, we were using the jack stands before that we built. Check out the video for that if you want to learn how to build them. Very useful. But the jack stand still wasn't high enough to give clearance for the drill for the last 5 rivets in front to drill the holes for them. So we actually had to use a low profile jack for it. So yeah, just updating you guys on that. Alright guys, so this is the final install product. See, fitment is perfect, perfectly lined up, no sagging at all, and we installed it. We showed you guys how to install it according to the OEM BMW manual. So yeah, if you follow the video guys, you have no problems at all, and it'll be same as a OEM install. So that's final look at the product. We'll put some pictures at the end as well guys. Have a nice contrast with the black side skirt decal. We have a little poke from the side skirt extensions, makes it look much more aggressive.
And it fits in well with the front splitter.
And it ties in well with the front splitter. If you guys haven't seen the video with the front splitter install, check it out. Gives it that extra lower look that ties in well with the front splitter. Give you guys a quick look at the front splitter as well here. Yeah. So we have a little extra poke from the front splitter here. Same with the side. If we walk around here. So it gives the car slightly better stance, makes it look more aggressive and slightly lower. Looks absolutely brilliant guys. Alright guys, so on this side I'll show you all a quick before. This is just the side skirt, M Sport side skirt, no extension. You can see here. And let me show you guys the after. Alright guys, so this is the after on this side. I have this side fully installed. This is the after here. Right, so that's pretty much it guys. Looks very aggressive now. Slightly lower look. Ties in well with the front splitter. So we have one more part of the M Performance kit to install, which is the rear diffuser. Stay tuned for that one. Alright guys, so from the A team, I'm Wish the mechanic, and actually here, video director, project organizer, CEO of Trini Vlog. This is the brains, this is the muscle behind the jobs guys and the installs. So yeah guys, this was another fun install. As usual, it took longer than we expected. As it does with every install. So yeah guys, this was the second part of the M Performance air kit install. We started with the front splitter. Now we have the side skirt extensions. The last part is going to be the rear diffuser. Very aggressive rear diffuser. So stay tuned. We'll update you guys shortly on the rear diffuser video. If the video helped you guys out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified, and I'll leave his Instagram pop up right here, so you guys can follow him if you need any installs done. He'll come and do it for you all. If you're located in Trinidad, that is. And you also leave the Trini Vlogs pop up here as well to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And from the A team, we out. See you guys for the next one.
Peace out.